Yeah. And then there's this one.
Funny stuff.
I'm gonna do it.
Man, locked today, boys. Guess they took certain precautions because of a certain trespasser. Well, there's not much there anyway. There's like these two. Basically the same, and then there's like one more. You take a look. Definitely never seen that one before. Look at that little boat right there. That little lifeboat thing there. It's pretty cool. All right, that's the pier, boys. The pier, the boat dock right there. Boat owners only for DNR Manny types only. So it's gonna be yeah, no go today. But see what's going on over here. All right. Not a whole lot of action up on the bridge.